definition of a spectacular Saturday, Scott. Greg, you would know this, but there's at least 3 versions of the T6, the plane they call the pilot maker. There's the Texan, right?
That is correct.
The ECM-B10, the Navy version.
The Navy version.
And then the Harvard, the British version.
That is indeed correct. It's used primarily as advanced training for the T-29s.
But the T6 is trained.
He's also a jet pilot for the North American Federal Association and the CAF. He's also flown the P-51 Red Nose, which you will see in just a few minutes. And is also an accomplished airline captain as well, retiring so he was flying F-16s and 2 Seagulls, continuing the legacy of Captain Hyle. They are actually both Eagle Scouts, A&P mechanics, rated pilots, and they are both structural engineers.
As they reposition for the 5th Formation 360. Over Southeast Asia and Vietnam, but these airplanes gained lasting fame. The T-28 blended Plum and Park air commando operations before being replaced by the Douglas A-1 Skyraider and energy ground missions. You will hear the growl of those T-28s as they go by. How will it maneuver? Give us a great look at these T-28s. Salute to all the veterans in attendance today. Trojan Thunder proudly presents the Family Break. So many years ago, and to remember the efforts and dedication to our country. We dedicate today's Trojan Thunder flight demonstration to all those veterans that attended to us here today. We thank you for your service.
It's like, yeah, we see you. It's like, you're doing good. That's a good picture.
Really nice. Asheville, Alabama. I can't say I could pick that out of the map. That's where Asheville is. I really enjoyed the Trojans. I mean, that was really, really nice. It was just a clean show. It was great. Real fun, sound wonderful. And it's time to